Hi, I'm Sam. Yesterday, I went to the city for the first time. I wanted to visit a famous museum. My friend told me it was very interesting and had a lot of history. When I arrived, I felt a bit confused. The city was so big, and I didn't know where to go. I decided to ask for directions. I saw a friendly-looking woman on the street and said, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the museum." She smiled and replied, "Of course. Go straight down this street, and then turn left at the first corner. The museum will be on your right." I thanked her and followed her instructions. I walked straight and turned left. I was excited because I saw the museum building from a distance. I went inside and spent hours exploring the exhibits. It was amazing. When I left, I felt happy because I found the museum easily. Asking for directions helped me a lot.